Hi students, good morning. Today the continuation for previous JEE questions which are important for JEE. Okay. Now I am going to discussing today JEE 2019 questions. JEE integration. These all questions you can copy it. Sin 5x by 2 by sin of x by 2 dx. Okay. Option A 2x plus sin x plus 2 sin 2x plus c. Option B x plus 2 sin x plus 2 sin 2x plus c. Option C x plus 2 sin x plus sin 2x plus c. Option D 2x plus sin x plus sin 2x plus c. Yes, because these questions you have to copy and practice thoroughly, which are important for JEE. So your time factor is not important. Take your own time, 2 minutes or 3 minutes. Think with cool mind and solve the questions. Yes. So integration of sin 5x by 2 by sin x by 2 dx. How to solve this? Yes. So listen here. To solve this, these are half angle. Okay. If I multiply by cos x by 2 here, 2 into cos x by 2, then 2 sin x by 2 cos x by 2 equals sin x. Yes. So this is integration 2 sin 5x by 2 multiply by 2 cos x by 2 numerator and denominator. 2 cos x by 2 into sin x by 2 dx. Right? So 2 sin A cos B. 2 sin A cos B formula sin of A plus B 5x by 2 plus x by 2 plus sin of 5x by 2 minus x by 2 divided by sin x dx. Sin 5x plus 6 by 2 sin 3x plus sin of 4x by 2 sin 2x. See, and split here sin x dx. Now sin 3x formula 3 sin x minus 4 sin cube x. Sin 2x formula 2 sin x into cos x. Finish the question. Sin x take common. So sin x, if you take common here, will get 3 minus 4 sin square x plus 2 cos x by sin x dx. This get cancelled. Or this is, you know how to solve this. 3x. 3 integration 3x is 3x minus 4 sin square x. How to write sin square x? How to find integration? 1 minus cos 2x by 2. Then 4 into 4 by 2 to get cancelled here. 2. 1 integration is x minus cos 2x integration sin 2x by 2 plus 2 cos x integration is sin x plus c over 3x minus 2x plus sin 2x plus 2 sin x plus c. 3x minus 2x x plus sin 2x plus 2 sin x plus c. See, x plus sin 2x x plus sin 2x plus 2 sin x plus c. Which option is right? C option is right. Okay. And dear students, once again I am telling these are important for JEE. Your time factor is not important. Solve thoroughly. Yes. Next question. Integration dx by x power 6 x cube into 1 plus x power 6 whole power 2 by 3 equal to x into f of x and 1 plus x power 6 whole power 1 by 3 plus c. Then what is the option? F of x equal first option is minus 1 by 6x cube, second option minus 1 by 2x cube, third option minus 1 by 2x square, fourth option 3 by x square. Right? This type of question is very important. Already we have discussed 2-3 times this model. If it is this model, what to do? Anybody getting idea? I raised to power, take common out. X power 6 take common. 1 by x power 6 plus 1 whole power 1 by 3, which is equal to dx by x cube. Here x power 6 2 by 3 get cancelled, x power 4 into 1 by x power 6 plus 1 whole power 2 by 3. Take up 1 by x power 6 plus 1 whole power minus 2 by 3 into 1 by x power 7 dx. Check it. This is the net f of x whole power n. F of x derivatives there are not checking. 1 by x power 6 differentiation is minus 6 x power 7. So minus 6 not there. Minus 6 multiplied by minus 6. So this differentiation is here. So minus 1 by 6 f of x whole power n. 1 by x power 6 plus 1 whole power minus 2 by 3 plus 1. Minus 2 by 3 plus 1, which is equal to 1 by 3. Correct? 1 by 1 by plus c. This is the get cancel. So the answer is minus 1 by 2. 1 by x power 6 plus 1 whole power 1 by 3. Which option is right? I think I have written wrong options here. Yes, it's correct only. Answer is right, but we have been equating with this. They asked the not whole answer, only f of x. Tell me here, 1 plus x power 6. Yes, we have converted that form here. Minus 1 by 2 x power 6 LCM 1 plus x power 6 whole power 1 by 3 by x power 6 whole power 1 by 3 is x square. So this is the f of x. My x into 1 plus x power 6 whole power 1 by 3 and x into f of x. So what is f of x is x into f of x equal this is x comes here minus 1 multiplied by x here x cube. So what is f of x is minus 1 by 2x cube. This is the answer. Understood step? At last we got the answer minus 1 by 2 1 plus x power 6 by x power 6 whole power 1 by 2. We got this. Yes, we have to equate it with this. Then we get f of x minus 1 by 2 1 plus x power 6 whole power 1 by 3 x power 6 whole power 1 by 3 is x square plus c. So this is the x into f of x. Only f of x is equal to x comes here, or you multiply by x numerator and denominator, x leave it, remaining part minus 1 by 2 x cube. This is the correct. Next question is, previous question is integration is all JEE 2019 question. Sec power 2 by 3x cosec power 4 by 3x dx. Sec power 2 by 3x or sec power 4 by 3x. Right? This is options you want. Okay, I can solve. Options are there. Easy here. Options A. A is 3 into tan power minus 1 by 3x. B. Minus 3 into tan power minus 1 by 3x. C. Minus 3 cot inverse of minus 1 by 3x. D. Minus 3 by 4 tan inverse of 4 by 3x. Tan inverse of 4 by 3x minus 4 by 3x. Right? Solving this is integration 1 by cos power 2 by 3x sin power 4 by 3x dx. See, answer you see either in tan or cot, means we have to make in the form of either cot or tan, this one. To make this here, sin power 4 by 3 till cos power 2 by 3. So divide by cos power 4 by 3. What happened? Cos power 4 by 3 x. Here cos power 4 by 3 x. Cos power 2 by 3 x. Cos power 2 by 3 x. Cos power 4 by 3 how much? 2 by 3 minus 4 by 3. How much? Minus 2 by 3. Minus 2 by 3. Right? No. We want sec square form. It's wrong. 4 cos power 4x. If you multiply cos power 4x. 2 by 3 minus 4. Yes? 2 by 3 minus 4. Then minus 2 minus 3. Minus 3 12. Minus 10 by 3. Minus 10 by 3 means not there. Okay? Then we have to divide by. Cos power 4 by 3. If you divide by cos power 4 by 3, what happened here? Cos power 4 by 3. Check it once again. Cos power 4 by 3 is getting cos square x or not? 4 by 3x. Yes. Now, integration. This is the 2 by 3. Or you can write it down also. 4 by 3 minus 2 by 3 is 1 by 3. Yes? 1 by 3. Cos power 1 by 3. Sin power 4 by 3 and cos power 4 by 3. We can take common 2 here. 2 sin A cos B. 2 sin A cos B. So we can write 2 sin A cos B means sin of A. Sin 2A. Sin 2x whole power 4 by 3. No. Here what to do? This is cos power 2 by 3x and cos power 4 by 3x. In these two, we have to make tan form or cot form. To make tan, so divide by cos power 4 by 3x into cos power 4 by 3x. Yes. Now this is the form of tan. Tan power 4 by 3x. So I am getting the question idea by seeing the option, because in the option all are in form of tan. Now cos power 2 by 3 plus 4 by 3, how much? 2 plus 4 by 3, 6 by 3 means 2 cos square x. Cos square x take up secant square x. Finish the question. Integration tan power minus 4 by 3x into secant square x dx. F of x whole power n into f dash x dx equal to f of x whole power n plus 1 minus 4 by 3 plus 1 minus 1 by 3 by minus 1 by 3 plus take up minus 3 tan x whole power minus 1 by 3 plus c. Minus 3 tan power whole power minus 3 x plus c. This is the correct answer. Am I correct? Next question is integration of e power sec x into sec x into tan x f of x plus sec x into tan x plus secant square x dx equals e power sec x into f of x plus c. Then what is the f of x? Once again I am telling you the question is e power sec x bracket short sec x into tan x f of x plus sec x into tan x plus secant square x dx equal to this is. So what is the f of x? Understood? Right. This is we can find the two ways. By seeing the option, we can find easily. See, options are there here. X into sec x plus tan x plus 1 by b a sec x plus tan x into dx plus 1 by c sec x plus x tan x minus 1 by 2 d sec x minus tan x minus 1 by 2. This is we can find two ways. First of all, by using product rule or apply differentiate on both sides, we get the f of x. Or verify. This is the question that is equal to this e power sec x into f of x. What is f of x? F of x where is it? In the option. F of x where is in option. So first let me take this option x sec x plus tan x. Is it correct? This is it correct? How to verify? Derivative of this. If you become this one, if you get this one, then this is the option is right. You tell me e power sec x into, yes, here also f of x is there. So better we can solve. Here f of x is there. F of x means again not substitute. It takes time. Instead of that, direct we can apply differentiation. Both side apply differentiation. Apply differentiation. When you apply differentiation, integration is cancelled. E power sec x into sec x tan x plus tan x into f of x plus sec x into tan x plus secant square x equals, this is e power x into sec x differentiation, e power sec x f of x differentiation f dash x plus f of x into e power sec x into tan x. Equating both sides, we get the f of x. Right? E power x equating the e power sec x into tan x into f of x. E power sec x into tan x. This is same, right? E power sec x into tan x, right? E power sec x into secant square x, e power sec x into f dash x is, right? So this term, and when you multiply by this term will be cancelled. Remaining e power sec x into tan x plus secant square x equal to e power sec x into f dash x. Okay. Now e power sec x into sec x tan x plus secant square x e power sec x into f dash x. Okay. E power sec x get cancelled. Sec x into tan x plus secant square x equal to f dash x. To get f of x, apply integration on both sides. Sec x tan x integration sec x, secant square x integration tan x, and integration of f dash x is f of x. So f of x equal to sec x plus tan x. This is the answer. Plus c is the answer. Understood? Next one is integration of dx by x square minus 2x plus 10 whole square equal to a into tan inverse of x minus 1 by 3 plus f of x by x square minus 2x plus 10 of plus c. So what is a and what is f of x? So it take time, easy question, but solving it take time. So a option, a is equal to 1 by 27. It's a moderate question. F of lengthy question. 1 by 27 f of x equal 9 into x minus 1. B, a equal to 1 by 81. F of x equal to 3 into x minus 1. C, a equal to 1 by 54. F of x equal to 3 into x minus 1. D, a equal to 1 by 54. F of x equal to 9 into x minus 1 whole square. Yes. Right. To get this is listen. It's easy. It's a lengthy question. X square integration of dx by x square. This we can write a minus the whole square form. A square minus 2. A b is 1 plus 1. So we can write x minus 1 whole square plus 9 in 3 square. 9 plus 1 10. Let x minus 1 equal to tan theta. Right? X minus 1 equal to tan theta. Then dx is equal to for a dx is equal to here secant square theta will get here tan square theta plus 3 square. Right? Tan square theta plus 3 square. Dx is equal to secant square theta. Okay, whole square is there. So tan power 14. Here stay common here. X minus 1 equal to better. You take the 3 tan theta. The 3 we can take common. Yes. Now dx is equal to 3 secant square theta d theta. X minus 1 equal to 3 9. So 9 take common. Tan square theta plus 1 whole square. Right. 3 9. 3 by 9 square is 81 secant square theta d theta by 1 plus tan square theta is secant square theta. Secant square theta whole square theta secant power 4 theta. Then here secant square cancel theta and take up cos square theta. Finish the question. 3 by 81 means 1 by 27 integration of cos square theta. Can you find further? 1 by 27 cos square theta is 1 plus cos 2 theta by 2. Right? 1 by 54 integration. 1 integration is theta. Cos 2 theta integration sin 2 theta by 2. Change the variable. Theta. What is the theta here? Theta is equal to tan inverse x minus 1 by 3. Tan inverse of x minus 1 by 3. 1 by 54. Theta is equal to tan inverse of theta means x minus tan inverse of x minus 1 by 3. 1 by 54 into 2. How much? 1 by 54 into 2 plus 1 not 8. Sin 2 theta we can write 2 tan theta by 1 plus tan square theta. Is that cancelled? 54. This is we got a into tan inverse of x minus 1 by 3. So what is the a? A is equal to 1 by 54. Either C or D option correct. Next let me verify f of x here. Tan theta is equal to x minus 1 by 3 here, plus 1 by 54 x minus 1 by 3 by 1 plus x minus 1 by 3 whole square. By simplifying you will get the f of x. Right? Okay, simplify this. That's why it is a lengthy question. X minus 1 by 3. Right? Here 9 we get 9 plus x minus 1 whole square. Okay. 3 by 9. 9 by 2 is 3. 3 into x minus 1. Okay. 9 plus x minus 1. Simplify here. This is equal to this is here 3 into x minus 1, okay, by 54. 3 into x minus by 54. This is f of x. A already taken common, so common is there means don't multiply here. 1 by 54 let it be here. So 1 by 54 common comes. Then what is the A? F of x is 3 into x minus 1. So this option is right. Finish.